Magandang araw Pilipinas at sa ating mga kababayan sa ibang bansa. Welcome to TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Sa araw nito mga kaibigan ay isa na naman pong special na personalidad ang ating makakakwentuhan. A veteran radio talent, actor sa telebisyon, sa teatro at sa pelikula. Mga kaibigan, a veteran singer and award-winning actor. The one and only Noel Trinidad.
Thank you. Salamat, Aster.
Magandang hapon, magandang araw sa iyo, Noel. Kumusta ka na? And congratulations dahil sa sunod-sunod mong mga awards.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Isang karangalan na makasama ka dito.
Wow! I think it's the other way around. Karangalan ko, malaking karangalan na nandito po ang Best Actor 4 times para sa pelikulang Family Matters. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Did you ever expect na mabibigyan ka pa ng ganitong klaseng proyekto in your entire career as an actor?
I have to admit na I always hope na magkaroon ng ganang pagkakataon. No? Pag artista ka, mahirap mawala sa ano mo yung pagka-artista. Oh,
yes.
So that's why I was very happy when the role was offered to me. Especially since it is of my age, yung role, no? Yung tamang-tama sa edad ko at tamang-tama yung storya na una palang binigay sa akin yung script para pag-aralan, sali na ako dahil ang ganda ng script.
Sobra kang na-in-love sa script, di ba?
Oo. Dahil parang nakita kong mga gustuhan ng mga may pamilya. It speaks to all families, all kinds of families. So I was very thankful and happy na nakasama ako doon.
Imagine mo, 80 years old ka na nung i-alok sa'yo yung pelikulang yon.
Yeah.
Sabi ko parang it was a miracle. A miracle project na inilatag sa sa lap mo.
Totoo. Bihira kami at my age, bihira ka makakatanggap ng ganong role na bagay sa edad mo. That's one role na I was very, very happy to do.
Directed by Noel Dabal
Yes,
and written
yes.
by Mel Del Rosario.
Yes.
Cynico Productions.
Na napakagaling. Alam mo si Noel, very, very quiet, but he guides you all the way. Hindi ka pababayaan.
Matyaga si Direct
Kasi
Noel.
bago ka mag-shoot, sasabihin mo na sa'yo, ano ba yung eksena yan? Saan ang galing yan? Saan pupunta yan? Ano bang kailangan dyan? Hindi niya sasabihin sa'yo paano ka arte, pero bibigay sa'yo lahat ng ammunition para magawa mo yung dapat mong gawin. Very, very good. At yun namang script, as I said, a major factor ng success ng story niyan is the screenplay and the director.
Yes, actually, it's an ensemble cast actually. Diba, everybody was so good in the movie. Oo.
I always say, tuwing makakatanggap ako ng pangalan, I always mention yung mga kasama ko. Dahil we were doing a family picture, talaga naging parang pamilya kami. At ang gagaling ng mga kasama ko. Dahil lahat sa galing nila, nagtutulungan kami na we learn from each other. One of the best production that I got involved in. Merong isang lumapit sa akin, lumapit sa akin, Sir Noel, pinaiyak niyo ako. Ang ganda ng pelikula niya, pinaiyak niyo ako. You know, pagkagano'n ng mga dating sa'yo ng mga nanood, that's our satisfaction as actors. Yun ang happiness namin,
yes,
na na-appreciate nila yung naginawa na at na-affect sila doon sa ginawa namin. So it's very nice experience for me.
After doing Family Matters and after nung sunod-sunod mong award, ano ang mga for sure inulan ka ng mga offers?
I had several offers which I had to turn down. Well, the main reason was yung shooting schedule out of the country ko. Kasi umalis ako, I was away for a while with my family. So I had to turn them down. Ngayon, siguro nagsawa na rin silang ka-offer. Di ko naman tinatanggap. So,
at least alam lang nila ngayon you're back in town. Nandito ka ulit.
Well, yeah.
And willing to work again.
Well, I hope...
yes, they're watching.
Kung sino man kayo dyan, kung meron pagkakataong magkausap tayo, baka naman meron akong maitulong sa production nyo.
At your age now, I mean, mga kaibigan, sorry sasabihin ko, at 82.
Oh yeah. I'm proud to be 82.
Look at him. And he's still willing to work up to this time. Hindi ba pumasok sa isip mo na, I think it's about time for me to retire?
As long as I can still do it, I want to do it. I don't want to stay home and let the world go by. No, I want to be part of it. I want to do something. In fact, if anything, I want to, what's the word? Inspire
Yes.
other senior citizens like myself. Do not let the world go by. You're just sitting and letting it pass. No, tuloy nyo habang kaya nyo. Tuloy nyo kung ano ang gusto nyo. It doesn't have to be acting. It can be painting. It can be writing. You know, but be active. The worst thing that can happen is for you to just sit down and, matanda na ako eh. Matanda na ako. There's no such thing as matanda ka na as long as you can do something and not let the world go by. It will be a big help for you. Not only para ma-satisfy mo ang mga nanonood, but for you, your own satisfaction.
Okay. Your own enjoyment, pati,
Yes,
di ba?
yes.
Doon ka nag-i-enjoy sa ginagawa mo di ba?
At saka, yun nga, ang daming pwedeng gawin eh. Pwede kang mag-paint, pwede kang magsulat. Ako now, I try to write as much as possible. No?
Really?
In fact, I have several columns, articles that have been published.
Oh, yes.
Because when I write something that interests me. Tapos, when I think it's interesting enough, I submit it. And so far, I've had several articles published in Bulletin and Inquirer.
Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Oh, at least napakinabakan ko whatever talent I still have. Napakinabakan ko. Na-inspire ko, hopefully, yung kasing edad ko, the worst that an old man will do is not do anything. Oh, as long as meron pang isang interesado sa akin.
Oo naman.
Well, but I would love to do it with the warning na they have to be patient with us old folks also, di ba? Sometimes we forget lines or directions. But give the senior citizens a chance to keep on working. Sometimes nga, merong na walk-on lang o nakita ka lang na, okay. As long as may silbi yung role mo.
Yes.
Yung hindi ka naman extra nasa Yung may silbi, kahit na mait lang role pero may silbi, sarap gawin noon, gano'n.
Remember, there are no small roles.
Yeah, exactly.
But only small actors,
yes.
diba?
Totoo.
Yun, di ba? Ikwento mo naman ng konti sa amin, sino si Noel Trinidad nung nagsisimula pa lang as a kid?
Well, dati na akong mahilig umarte kasi maski sa eskwela, pirme kong kasama sa mga mga stage plays, Glee Club. So singing, acting, lahat yan, bata pa ako, mahilig na ako dyan. In fact, when I was still in school sa Ateneo, nagkaroon ng contest ang Sampaguita about getting young ones.
Parang search for new talents.
Mga teenagers.
Yes.
And I wanted to join or try to get in. Kinausap ko mother ko. Sabi ko, I want to do this. Sabi ng mother, pinagalitan ako. Sabi niya, pinag-aaral ka namin sa Ateneo, tapos mag-aartista ka lang. Hindi ako pinayagan. So of course, you have to follow. No? The want has always there. So finally, when I was a little older, I really wanted to do it. Lumapit na naman ako sa mother ko. And I said, Ma, hindi ako nagpapaalam dahil may edad na ako. But humihingi ako ng blessings mo because I really want to go into acting. So please give me your blessings. Finally, na-realize ng mother ko, talaga atang hilig. So sige, I give you my blessings. Well, natsambahan naman, nakakuha ko ng role ko, anong role. That's how I started. Very happy with how it turned out.
Ang parents ni Noel ay the late Lena Flor, and of course, ang the late Francisco Coco Trinidad, na parehong nagmula sa industriya. I think they're the pioneers in the radio industry.
Ang mother ko, most of you know, mga seniors, si Lena Flor, isa sa mga pioneers ng radio drama. Yung Gulong ng Palad. Sa kanya yun. Siya nag-umpisa ng Gulong ng Palad. Ang father ko naman, he is known as the father of radio broadcasting, Francisco Coco Trinidad. So yan ang pinagdaanan ko, yan ang mga, kumbaga, nag-ano sa akin.
Roots mo eh.
Yan. Lahat yan. Kailangan okay sa kanila. Kung hindi, gagawin mo against their wishes. Pangit di ba? So when they gave their blessings, pinagpatuloy ko na. They were called the singing sweethearts of the movies. So they sang in the movie, ganyan. And they had a radio program. Yun ang kanilang...
silang magka-love team, in other words. Para silang magka-love team. Na nagsimula sa radio.
Sa radio. Yun nga ako, yung simula ko sa radio. Kasama ko pa si Togo and Pogo, yung mga young ones, hindi kilala. But they were the most famous duo comedians at that time. Togo and Pogo. We had a radio show. In the radio show, wala pang TV noon. We never heard of such a thing na TV.
Yes, wala pa.
Not on the radio. But we would perform before a live audience. May microphone, we're reading a script with a live audience. And that was how I started also. I remember si Togo became somehow close to me so that when he died and during our show, we were commemorating his death. After the show, I remember distinctly, nandun ako, umiiyak ako because he was gone. And yung radio audience was passing by and I could hear them. They're saying, kita mo, halatang mahal na mahal niya si Togo kasi tiga mo umiiyak siya. And I could hear that distinctly. One of the nicest experiences din sa akin kasi bata pa ako noon.
You were just about 10 years old.
Yeah, mga 10 years old ako.
1950s, right?
Oh, yeah.
1950s, oo.
Ang isang very important sa radyo, yung nagagawa ng sound.
Yeah. Sound effects.
Oo.
Yung sound effects,
Yung,
oo.
meron siyang little door, gano'n,
yeah.
para pag meron may lalabas, kunyari. Oo. Sasara niyo, sasara. Sa radyo, lumabas na.
Oo.
Sumara na yung pinto eh.
Oh, tapos at the same time yung minsan yung paa, kunyari
tapos
naglalakad.
Tapos
yung
minsan may sand para pag naglalakad kunyari sa sand, gano'n. Lalo na nung wala pang television, talagang radio pupuntahan mo eh.
And one of my favorites nga, yung isang isinulat ng nanay mo, late mother mo,
Gulong
Gulong ng Palad,
Gulong ng Palad.
which was also made into TV drama.
Oo.
Diba? Diyan nagsimula si Romnick Sarmenta.
Talaga?
Oh, yes. He was a child actor at that
tama,
time.
oo nga.
Romnick Sarmenta and the late Agosto Victa.
Oo, tama.
Yes. From radio, napunta ka sa teatro.
Actor na pan-teatro dahil sa eskwela pala nagteatro na ako eh.
Okay. So acting was really nasa veins mo na eh.
Parang gano'n.
Nasa dugo mo na talaga yung passion mo for acting na ando na eh. So,
grade school pa lang. I did a movie for Bert Avellana.
Sinta.
No, way before. Way
before that?
It's a production for US something TV radio station, and he was the director, si Bert Avellana. Ang kasama ko, Rosa Aguirre, Miguel Ansures. And I was, 8 years old something.
So, nag-start ka pala as a child actor.
Yeah.
As a child actor, So, eventually, napasok mo ang telebisyon at pelikula. Anong mas nauna? Pelikula, right? Pelikula bago ka nag-TV.
Yeah, I did.
I remember Sinta, yung nga kay Lamberto Avellana. Batch 81.
Yeah,
Pero
with Mike
1982
De Leon.
movie yun, di ba? Directed by Mike De Leon, right?
Maganda rin yun, experience. Yung Batch 81, maganda rin. Swerte ko yung mga napasok ko, may katuturan eh.
It was a nice movie.
Batch 81, one of the best movies again na nakasama ko, Batch 81. Si Mike De Leon, may pagka-karakter yun eh.
Yes, at metikuloso as a director.
Pero galing na director. Sa Batch 81, medyo may edad na ako nung pasama ko mga bata eh.
Yes.
Ang role ko nga doon, teacher nila eh.
Yes,
Teacher. So may edad na pero nakasama.
And you did Magic Land as well, 2020.
Kepeke yun, di ba? Magic Land.
Yes, and of course, this movie, Family Matters. Ito yung sabi ko nga kanina na ito na yung ituturing mong most memorable movie. At dito ka na-recognize. You had 4 best actors.
Yes. So, medyo...
Namuntik maging Grand Slam.
Medyo sinaswerte. Sabi ko, nakuha sa dasal ata yun.
Sa Lorena, kasama dyan.
Si Lisa, sabi ka, kung hindi ako happily married, baka niligawan ko si Lisa.
Okay. Speaking of marriage, how old were you nung finally maging misis mo si Lali Laurel?
Well, I got married at 23 ata, 23.
Bata pa.
Bata pa.
Is Lali from the well-known family ng mga Laurel?
Yeah. She's the daughter, the youngest child of Jose Laurel, the junior. Si Pepito Laurel.
Yes.
And Remedios Laurel. She's the youngest of 4 children. Ang kilala sa kanilang by most people is Banjo.
Oh yes,
Yung
Banjo
kapatid
Laurel.
Niya, They even made a movie. That's funny about that. They asked permission from my in-laws to do this movie, Banjo. Hindi pumayag ang parents ni Lali, hindi pumayag. So they did it anyway, they called it, I think, Ukulele Boy.
Iniba na lang.
Iniba na lang pangalan.
Oo.
But yeah,
She sings too, right? Your wife? Kumakanta rin ang wife mo? Si Lali?
Only in the house.
Only in the house. Pero alam mo, habang nagkukwentuhan tayo, parang naset aside ang pagiging singer mo.
Yeah, kasi yung team namin ni Subas, after a while, nawala because Subas got sick, went to the States. So I had to continue, and acting was something that I really loved to do. So I went into it full time.
In 1981, mga kaibigan, if you were born earlier, or the 70s or the 80s, I'm sure inabutan nyo yung sitcom or a gag show. Gag show na yun siguro yung Champoy.
Yeah.
Ako talaga #1 follower ako doon sa
Yeah.
Champoy. Every week pinanonood ko yun.
Yeah.
Nakatuwa yun eh. So,
Well, yan, Champoy, I'm very proud of that. Brainchild ko yan, Champoy. I thought of the name, I composed the theme song, I wrote the lyrics.
wow. Oh.
So yung walang sisihan, ako gawa.
Yes.
The words and lyrics, gawa ko yun. Lahat ng kanta namin doon, baka compose ko yun.
Ay,
So
talaga.
very proud of that show, that Champoy. And hanggang ngayon, people would come up to me, mga may edad na ngayon, at shake my hand and tell me, nung bata po ako, sabi, yun lang programa nyo, pinayagan na ng parents kong napanurin, kasi gabi na rin kami.
Yes, yes.
Kayo lang ang pinayagan na ng panurin namin. Dito bang tuwa naman ako na,
Very entertaining. Gag show yun. More than a sitcom, it was a gag show.
oo,
Diba? It was a gag show.
Yung Champoy, mga kasama namin to, mga mabatikan, si Tessie Thomas.
Yeah. Mitch Valdez.
Mitch,
Mitch
exactly.
Valdez, oo.
Mitch Valdez.
Oo.
Gary Lisi.
Yes, Gary Lee, late
You know,
Gary Lee Singh.
Very,
Yes.
very nice cast.
Yeah,
Again, masayang gumawa ng mga gano'n pag magkakaibigan kayo. Eh.
Pawang magagaling.
I would like to think so.
Yes,
Oo,
yes,
I would
yes.
like to think so na nagtutulong-tulungan kami sa ginagawa namin. No?
Tessie Tomas
Tessie,
also
yes.
came from the advertising world. Ikaw din.
Oo, yeah.
Yes,
yeah.
diba? Tessie,
Nauna lang ako sa kanya, but nung nauna na ako, inaano ko na siya, sumali ka na, sumama ka na sa amin. Finally, she decided, sige.
paano nabuo yung tambalan nyo ni Subas Herrero?
Ano pa yun eh, kasi sa eskwela pa, nagkakasama na kami.
Pareho kayong atinista.
Oo. Barkada kami sa Ateneo. Father Reuter kami pareho, kakasama. The first thing we did was Sinta, no?
Ito yung kay Abiliana.
Oo.
Yes.
Nagkasama kami. And after that, we're saying, alam mo, why don't we do this professionally? So we decided, sige, magtambaran na tayo. And then we started making the rounds. Nightclub hopping kami, nagpe-perform kami sa mga nightclubs. Nagkaroon kami mga suki. And that's how it started. And then finally we said, maybe we can even go farther. No? And we did. Si Subas, talagang
He was your best friend, right?
oh, yeah. Parang magkapatid kami. Even our wives get together. And I visited him just before he passed away. Visited him in New York. Very nice fellow. Very nice fellow.
How did you think of the title Champoy? Or sa inyong dalawa as Champoy?
At nung kabataan namin, meron kami binibiling champoy.
Yes.
No? Na ang kahon nun, pag nakita mo yun, may fat and thin yun eh.
Oh, yes. Oo.
Fat and thin. So doon ko nakuha, tayo champoy.
Para kayong
tayo,
10 eh. Parang ikaw yung 1 kasi payat ka at maliit. Si Subas malaki,
Yeah,
di ba?
yeah.
Para kayong 10.
Oo.
di ba? Gaano ka katagal sa advertising business?
Matagal. At least 5 years.
At talaga ang puso mo, ang lining talaga ng isip mo, showbiz or
Kasi
acting.
even while I was in advertising, I would appear someplace. Then finally I said, if full-time ko na, what am I doing? So finally full-time ko na nga.
Okay, going back dun sa pag-aasawa mo, you got married at age 23, Lali Laurel. Nabiyayaan kayo ng 3 anak. Your eldest is Patricia.
Oo. Patricia, we nicknamed her Trixie. Then Joel, whom some of you probably heard of Joel because
Nag-artista rin si Joel.
siya ang medyo sumama sa akin sa acting. And Michael. Michael lives in Australia. He's a teacher in Australia. And so lahat ng anak ko, wala na dito. Nag-migrate na lahat.
May 2 kayong apo.
Ang dalawa kong apo nasa States.
So kayong 2 na lang ni Lali?
Dalawa na lang kami dito. Dalawa lang. Mabuti na lang, nagmamahalan kami. Kasi kung dalawa lang kayo, di kayo mamahalan. Siguro, buwisit siguro umuwi sa bahay.
Okay. Nagmamahala. Alam mo, ilang taon na kayong kasal ni Lali? Do you still remember kung kailan kayo kinasal? Sabi mo 23?
We got married 58, 59 years.
Oh, di ba?
Tagal na rin, di ba?
Oh, almost 60 years, di ba? Matagal. Pero hindi naman dumating sa punto na naging shaky ang marriage nyo.
Never.
Never.
Never naging shaky.
Wow.
Hindi naman hindi ako nalihis paminsan-minsan, di ba?
So, inaamin mo, ginawa mo rin yun.
Paminsan-minsan.
Ayan, lali, oh.
Hindi at ewan ko ba't ko sinabi, hindi ata alam ni Lali.
Ngayon alam na niya. At alam na ng buong mundo.
Pero, hindi, ano naman, paminsan-minsan, nung bata pa ako. Let's face it, sa business, ng show business, madami talagang tentasyon. And minsan, lalo na kung medyo kilala ka, dadating ang tentasyon. May pumupunta sa'yo, pero ganong klase, pag nasa showbiz ka at medyo nagkaroon ka ng pangalan, hahanapin ka eh.
Totoo.
Hahanapin ka. Minsan, nandun ka, tahimik ka lang sa, umiinom ka, biglang may lalapit, makikipag-ano sa'yo.
Yung temptasyon na andyan lang sa paligid, nasa sayo na yun kung talagang kakagatin mo or tatanggapin mo. Kasi nasa tao naman yun eh.
Ewan ko, parang sa kanila, parang penant na, yung sikat na yan, nakasama ko. Nagiging pagyabang nila pag nakasama nila yung, pag na-tempt nila yung isang sikat na
celebrity,
pagyayabang naman nila sa kaibigan niya.
Sabi nga nila, na-gets ko yan.
Lalo na pag married ka, kasi challenge sa kanila yun eh.
Yes. Parang ano yun sa kanila eh, trophy yun.
Oo, tama.
Diba?
Yun.
Trophy, para sa kanila parang trophy.
Tama,
Ay, na-gets ko yan.
Kaya nga ipagkakalat niya sa mga kaibigan naman niya.
Yes, pagmamalaki nila. Hindi lang pagkakalat, ipagmamalaki. Imagine almost 60 years, buong-buo pa rin kayo. Ang malungkot lang, malayo sa inyo yung tatlo yung anak, pati yung apo nyo, malayo sa inyo. So kayo na yung bumibisita sa kanila.
No, every year, at least once a year, we get together. Somewhere else. Somewhere else. Like now, we're going to Australia.
Kay naman, kay Michael.
Bistahin naman namin si Michael. And then after that, we go to New York dahil lahat pupunta naman sa New York dahil nandun naman yung mga mga anak, nandun naman sa New York. Sila Joel, nandun sa New York. So, gano'n nangyayari sa amin. We get together. At least
may reason for you to travel, to get together.
And or else sometimes all of them will come to the Philippines naman.
Kung i-rewind ang buhay mo, anong gusto mong balikan? Siyempre may mga memories ka, good memories na gusto mong balikan.
Alam mo, hindi ko inisip yan eh. Hindi ko inisip yan. Siguro nung nakilala ko si Lali.
Wow.
Yeah.
Lali was how old when you get married? 23 ka eh?
20-something. 20-something.
Almost same age.
Almost
same age.
Alam mo si Lali, when I met her, may girlfriend ako eh.
Okay.
May girlfriend ako. And it was in a party. And I saw her. Andun yung girlfriend ko. Pero hindi ko maawat. Sinayaw ko. And I didn't know she came from the States pala. Kagagalan lang sa States. Ang claim to fame ko na kinabit sa kanya, nung kausap ko, I'm the brother of Corky, Trinidad. Kasi sikat si Corky noon. Sikat si Corky. Hindi niya kilala si Corky. Finally, gano'n. But I decided, this is the girl.
Kawawa naman girlfriend mo dati.
Medyo na-set aside mo yun. And then, nung nasa Ateneo, she was in Marinol. Nasa dorm siya ng Marinol. And I told my classmates, bibistahin ko. I came from abroad somewhere. I bought a little doll. May girlfriend ako noon. Sabi sa akin, winarningan ako ng mga barkada ko. Naloloko ka ba? Kapatid ni Banjo yan. Hindi mo pwedeng Hindi, bakit?
Hindi mo pwedeng lokohin yan.
Hindi, tatala. Pinuntahan ko. Binigyan ko yung doll. At niligawan ko. Everybody was telling me, you're crazy. You're crazy ka na. Hindi.
Parang it was love at first sight na nangyari sa'yo?
Yeah. Parang very attractive sa akin kaagad. Finally, sa party, sinabi ko, patid ako ni Cole, ganyan. There was one time, si Banjo, favorite siya ni Banjo eh. But I think, pag lumiligaw ako sa kanya sa bahay, tinatapunan ako ng firecracker ni Banjo. May barkada siya. Pinagkakatuwaan ako. Nakaupo niya, tatapunan ako. Ako naman, tawa. Anjo, hindi ganun na ako. Tiniis ko yun. Tiniis ko. Oo. Until finally, natanggap na rin niya ako. Siguro naisip niya, hindi nito lolokohin ang kapatid
Seryoso
ko.
to. Seryoso to.
So, tinanggap na rin niya ako.
What happened to your girlfriend at that time?
Wala na.
Alam ba ni Lali na may girlfriend ka?
Alam niya kasi nandun nung sinayaw ko siya, nandun yung girlfriend ko. Eh.
Okay.
Kaya nga, there was a time na medyo nagkakatinginan sila ng masama. But I gave up the girlfriend, the former girlfriend. I gave her up for Lali. I think nasaktan siya.
Oo, nasaktan.
I think. Pero tinanggap na rin.
Pero nagkita ba ulit kayo ng ex-girlfriend mo?
Oo, naging kaibigan naman kami afterward.
Okay.
Naging kaibigan
Oo.
kami. I think she knew, but I gave it up.
Na siya talagang kumbaga ang pinagtutuunan mo ng pansin.
Pagka binata ka at
That's what love
madaming
is.
kalokohan sa ulo eh.
Oo, di ba? Mensahe mo sa mga anak mo?
Makabait kayo. No, my kids are terrific. My kids are terrific. They're independent. They're smart, and we'd like to think we raised them well, and they're raising their families well. God bless you all. Huwag kayong magwawala.
And to your two grandkids?
Every time we see you, I tell you, I love you guys. Just don't do anything that will put any kind of shame into your family name. And be sure to take care of your parents, especially that they're also getting on in years. But so far, I can't say anything negative about you guys. You're all great.
Mensahe mo sa lahat?
So just take care of yourselves. Don't do anything crazy. Always be thankful for what you have. Always be thankful to our Lord for what you have.
After 4 Best Actor trophies, ano ang naging impact nito sa iyo as a person?
Very, very grateful, but at the same time, pleasantly surprised. I must say, it's very rewarding for an actor to be recognized. Yun na ang height ng aming objective, na being recognized as a serious actor. And I'm just grateful that I have this, and I hope I can do some more.
Bago kita pasalamatan, Noel, please allow me to thank my personal sponsors.
Yes, please.
Pandan Asian Cafe. Maraming salamat, Alvin, Dennis, and of course, Roland, Ever Belena. Hello Glow, most of you from Japan. Beauty Derm, Nutritech, maraming salamat, Jos de la Luna. Aficionado by Joel Cruz. Eres Beauty Care. Vanilla Skin Clinic at Robinson's Magnolia. Mesa Tomas Morato. Richie's Kitchen by Richie Ang. Nessa Astilla Salon for My Hair and Makeup. Gandang Ricky Reyes. Chato Sugay Jimenez. Jeffrey Jimenez. Bebot Santos of Colorete Clothing. Studio Manila. Manila Bulletin. Maraming salamat, Bobby Requintina. The Red Meat Shawarma. Maraming salamat, Chef John. Shinagawa Diagnostic and Preventive Care. And Shinagawa LASIK and Aesthetics Center. Maraming salamat po. Noel, it was an insightful kwentuhan that we had. Thank you so much for sharing.
Thank you for inviting us. Alam mo, it's not often that senior citizens like myself are invited to...
I am also a senior, so kaya hindi naman sa lahat senior ang ating guest. But it's always my pleasure and my honor na napaunlakan tayo ng isang Noel Trinidad.
As they say, the pleasure is all mine. I really thank you.
So happy and sincerely thankful to you, my friend Noel. Thank you so much. And more blessings, more movies to come, more projects to come, and it will.
Thank you.
Definitely. With that, mga kaibigan, maraming salamat sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay. Huwag niyo pong kakaligtaan mag-subscribe, mag-like, mag-share, and hit the bell icon of TikTok with Aster Amoyo. At syempre pa, hanggang sa muli, dito lamang po sa TikTok with Aster Amoyo. Bye for now. God bless us all.